Hi, welcome back to Newbie Nims, where I try new things because it's never too late to give something a go for the first time. And today I am cooking again. I am cooking a Korean feast. Okay, this is going to be across a couple of different videos because it's my birthday and I really love Korean food, but in Australia at the moment we're having a massive, outbreak. So I thought that I would try to make a Korean feast here. So what am I cooking today? I'm cooking a couple of different things. I'm cooking seaweed soup or Miyeok Guk, which is like a Korean seaweed soup, and usually it's served on birthdays. And it's my birthday today, which is also Christmas, so yay! I'm also making a kimchi stew or kimchi jjigae, and a couple of different side dishes as well. One of them is going to be a vegetable pancake, and also some braised potatoes. So they're the couple of different things that I'm going to be making today. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got all of my ingredients here. We've got the seaweed, I've got the veggies ready, I've got all of the things to put in the soup, I've got the pancake mix, mushrooms, got chigaru, or chili flakes, some mushrooms, some tofu, some sweetener, all of those different things. Okay, and I will be following a couple of recipes, so I'll link those recipes in the description box below. Let's get started. Okay, moment of truth. Let's taste test the seaweed soup. It's deliciously salty, not overly salty, and you can taste the bits of meat in there. I didn't get any meat on my spoon, but you can definitely taste the meat on there. I'm looking forward to eating this with my lunch. Okay, and that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.